proteins, amino acids, and structure of proteins. Question number 1. Which of the following is the basic building block of proteins? Option A, glucose. Option B, amino acid. Option C, fatty acid. And option D, nucleotide. Right answer is amino acid. Option B is correct. Question number 2. Which group is present in all stranded amino acids? Option A, amino acid and carboxyl groups. Option B, phosphate and amino groups. Option C, hydroxyl and phosphate groups. Option D, aldehyde and ketone groups. Right option is option A, amino acid and carboxyl group. Question number 3. The journal structure of an amino acid contains a central carbon attached to option A, H amino group, carboxyl group and R group. Option 2 B, 2 amino groups and phosphate. Option C, 2 carboxyl groups and glucose. Option D, only amino and hydroxyl groups. Right answer is option A, H amino group, carboxyl group and R group. Question number 4. What determines the unique properties of an amino acid? Option A, peptide bond. Option B, R group side chain. Option C, carboxyl group and option D, amino group. Right answer is option B, R group side chain. Question number 5. A peptide bond is formed between option A, 2 R groups, option B, amino group of one amino acid and carboxyl group of another, option C, 2 carboxyl groups and option D, 2 amino groups. Right answer is option B, amino group of an amino acid and carboxyl group of another. Question number 6. Formation of a peptide bond usually involves addition of oxygen, option A, option B, removal of water, option C, addition of glucose, option D, removal of carbon dioxide. Right answer is option B, removal of water. Question number 7. Which level of protein structure refers to the amino acid sequence? Option A, primary, option B, secondary, option C, tertiary and option D, quaternary. Right answer is option A, primary. Question number 8. Alpha helix and beta plated sheet are example of option A, primary structure, option B, secondary structure, option C, tertiary structure, option D, quaternary structure. Right answer is option B, secondary structure. Question number 9. Secondary protein structure is mainly stabilized by a hydrogen bond. Option A. Option B, glycosidic bond. Option C, phosphodiester bonds. And option D, ionic bonds only. Right answer is option A, hydrogen bonds. Question number 10. The overall three-dimensional shape of a single polypeptide is its option A, primary structure, option B, secondary structure, option C, tertiary structure, option D, quaternary structure. Right answer is option C, tertiary structure. Question number 11. Which interaction can contribute strongly to tertiary protein structure? Option A, disulfide bond, option B, glycosidic bond, option C, phosphodiester bond. Right answer is option A, disulfide bond. Question number 12. Quaternary structure occurs when option A, protein as one amino acid, option B, several polypeptide subunits associate, option C, peptide bonds are absent, option D, only alpha helix are present. Right answer is option B. Several polypeptide subunits associate. Question number 13. Which bond directly links amino acids in polypeptide chain? Option A. Peptide bond. Option B. Hydrogen bond. Option C. Glycosidic bond. Option D. Phosphodiester bond. Right answer is option A. Peptide bond. Question number 14. Which is the R group of an amino acid? Option A, a variable side chain. Option B, the peptide bond. Option C, the carboxyl group. Option D, the amino group. Right answer is option a variable side chain. Question number 15. Which statement about proteins is correct? Option A. All proteins have identical amino acid sequences. Option B. Protein function is related to its three-dimensional structure. Option C. Proteins are made directly from glucose. Option D. Proteins contain only carbon and hydrogen. Right answer is option B. Protein function is related